You ever do that?
You ever do that?
You ever buy shampoo with conditioner?
Yes. What did you do with Jeff?
He's not here today. He might be back next week. And in the event, I'm hosting his show, The Jeff Richards Show.
Oh.
At least I know you saw it.
Yeah, man, but I'll laugh, you know? I'll laugh about it.
Yeah,
But I think that's important because what are you going to do? Not highlight everything, you know?
well, the thing is, I've done a lot of projects in LA. I did a lot of studio projects. I got invited to a lot of shows.
Some years later,
Now, I
talk
wanna
about
talk
it's a
about-
classic. What was
wanna
it
talk
like
about-
working with John Hughes and Anthony Michael Hall and the other?
Challenging, like killing and eating people.
Learn how to drink coffee.
And
You know, both. Well, classic drama and classic comedies. My favorite.
They were right. They were and they weren't, because you did make the
So, these next series of discussions, we're going to vent.
73, and it was only one day.
Okay.
The Jimmy?
It was a puppet, and it would always go, is it made of wood? That'd be the...
In art on a two-dimensional surface.
what was that?
It's my show.
Killing it, boy, killing it.